Crooked NYC attorney Carlos Moreno sentenced for immigration scams. Oh, nothing I detest more than a scam, right? When you take your hard-earned money and you think you're paying for something. Carlos Moreno, 61, collected more than $140,000 from immigration visa scam. An unlicensed New York City attorney who built scores of immigrants out of thousands of dollars through citizenship schemes, including the common 10-year green card scam, was sentenced to up to 3 years in prison Wednesday. Carlos Moreno, 61, collected more than $140,000 from his clients, including two who were kept paying him thousands of dollars for months after he had been disbarred in 2017, the Manhattan District Attorney's Office said. In brief remarks during his sentencing in Manhattan Supreme Court, the crooked attorney apologized for practicing law without a license. I mean, really now, why is he apologizing for practicing law without a license? He should be apologizing for scamming people, right? Who cares? The only body that will care about him practicing law without a license is the state, New York State. You know, to practice any professional service. You know, I think they're regulated by the court system. I think that's where you get to operate your license or renew your license, the New York court system. But maintain he was an advocate for immigrants. I have devoted my life to assisting immigrants, and I believed that I was helping my clients, he told Justice Maxwell Wiley. Prosecutors said the hacked lawyer took on more clients and gave legal advice to scores of immigrants after losing his license. I wonder why he lost his license. Started even before he was disbarred and continued after he had lost his license. Moreno scammed undocumented immigrants by assuring them they would be able to stay in the U.S. if they had lived here for 10 years or more, prosecutors said. He would complete the ruse known as the 10-year green card scam by filing bogus asylum applications on behalf of the clients, right? Triggering removal proceedings, the DA's office said. Yeah, because once you file asylum, then you gotta go before a judge, you know, to hear your case, and these people don't know better. So next thing you know, he took their money and he filed asylum. They show up and they say, well, you don't have an asylum case. ICE is going to detain you and send you and deport you. His attorney told Wiley that Moreno currently works as an adjunct lecturer teaching constitutional and criminal law at the Bar of Manhattan Community College, a gig he actually enjoys very much. Moreno was sentenced to a minimum of 1 year and up to 3 years in state prison after being convicted of scheme to defraud and practicing law without a license. These New Yorkers sought legal services from Mr. Moreno in order to apply for permanent residency in the place they already call home. Instead, he took their fees and placed them in situations that put them at risk of deportation, District Attorney Alvin Bragg said said in a statement after the sentences, said, yeah, well, he figured, look, once you go before that judge thinking they're going to hear your case, right? They're going to hear your case. What happens is that actually they're going to call you up and say you're going to be deported. And what can you really do then? Because once you stand in that court and the officers take you in, that's the end of all your dreams here.